how to enable or disable block Bixby during game on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. On the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen and then launch the game that you want to play. In here, while in the game, you want to swipe out on the side to open up your navigation bar and then tap on the Game Booster button. In Game Booster, tap on the Settings button at the top corner. And then you want to tap on Block during game. Next, tap on the Bixby button to switch it on or off. And that's it. Now you can tap on the back key to go back to your game. Or you can swipe up and tap on the home button in the navigation bar to go back to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.